Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GK for GC. Here today we will discuss general knowledge GK questions. Instruction: please watch the video till in without skipping it. And a request: if you find my channel interesting, useful, and informative, please like, share, subscribe it, and support us. So let's start today's GK questions discussion. These questions are from computer and IT. Question number one: match the following. Column 1 input device, column 2 output device, column 3 browser, column B A Safari, B scanner, option C plotter. So the answer is input device scanner, option 2 output device plotter, and option 3 browser is Safari. So the answer is I think 2 1 ka B, input device scanner, output device plotter, and browser is Safari. Scanner is an input device, plotter is an output device, and Safari is a web browser. Question number 2: which among the following is are not an input devices? Scanner, joystick, plotter. I think the answer is plotter. Only 3. Plotter is an output device, scanner and joystick are input devices. So output devices are those from which you get the information which is provided by the computer system, and input devices are the devices from which you give command or raw data to the system. That is and those devices are called input devices. Question number 3: match the column. Input devices, output devices, browser. So input devices, here the answer is input devices is printer. No, input device is keyboard, output device is printer, and browser is Chrome. So the answer is option 1 1C, 2A, and 3B. Question number 4: which of the following is an output device? Printer, option 2 RAM, option 3 ROM, option 4 joystick. The answer is option 1 printer. Printer gives output in the form of printed paper, hence it is an output device. Question number 5: dash is the main printed circuit board in a computer. Option 1 ROM, option 2 CPU, option 3 RAM, option 4 motherboard. The answer is motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board that holds CPU, RAM, and other components. Question number 6: which of the following devices is not used to enter data into a computer? Option 1 mouse, option 2 keyboard, option 3 scanner, option 4 monitor. Which of the following devices is not used to enter data into a computer? The answer is option 4 monitor. Monitor is a type of output device from which you get information. So from monitor give we don't give raw data, or we don't give enter data through monitor. From scanner we give some raw data in the form of paper. Keyboard, by typing we give input. From mouse, by aligning the pointer and clicking on the desired logos, we can give inputs. But for monitor is used for display, not for data entry. Question number 7: what do you call a key on a computer keyboard that is used to move the pointer around the screen? Option 1 navigation key, option 2 numeric key, option 3 function key, option 4 control key. What key what do you call the key which is used to move the pointer or cursor on the screen? The answer is option 1 navigation key. Navigation keys include arrow keys, page up, page down, etc. used to move the cursor. Question number 8: Which terminology uses a combination of a large magnet and radio waves to view organs and structures inside our body? Option 1 computed tomography, option 2 fluoroscopy, option 3 positron emission tomography, option 4 magnetic resonance imaging. So the answer is magnetic resonance imaging, MRI. Magnetic resonance imaging uses magnetic fields and radio waves to generate images of our body organs. Question number 9. Dash is also known as electronic disc. Option 1 USB sticks, option 2 network storage servers, option 3 solid state drive, option 4 USB hard drives. The answer is option 3 solid state drive. Solid state drive is also known as electronic disk. SSD, solid state drive, stores data electronically with no moving parts, hence called electronic disk. SSD is which you see in my computer or computer section. Local disks are there. Those are called SSD. Which among the following is incorrect about laser printers? Option 1 uses laser lights for producing dots. Option 2 can print multiple copies at the same time. Option 3 fast speed. Option 4 supports multiple fonts and sizes. The answer is option 2 can print multiple copies at a time. Laser printers print one copy at a time. Making multiple copies requires reprinting. Question number 11. Video graphics array connectors are those which connect the monitor to a computer's video card and has dash holes. So video graphics array connectors are those which connect the monitor to a computer's video card and has dash holes. Option 1 10, option 2 12, option 3 18, option 4 15. The answer is option 4 15. VGA connectors typically have 15 pins in 3 rows. Question number 12. Which among the following devices is also known as visual display unit? Option 1 printer, option 2 scanner, option 3 trackball, option 4 monitor. I think the answer is monitor. The answer is monitor. Monitor displays visual output, hence called a visual display unit. Same as a CPU is known as central processing unit. Question number 13. Which among the following ports is also known as a line printer port? Option 1 parallel, option 2 VGA, option 3 HDMI, option 4 display. The answer is option 1 parallel. Parallel ports were traditionally used to connect line printers. Question number 14. Dash is the oldest type of central processing unit. Option 1 triple core, option 2 single core, option 3 dual core, option 4 quad core. I think dual core. No, single core. Single core CPUs are the earliest type capable handling one disk at a time. Question number 15. A dash port transmits one bit of a byte at a time as stream of bits. Option 1 parallel, option 2 USB, option 3 serial, option 4 display. The answer is option 3 serial. Serial ports transmit data bit by bit, suitable for long distance data transmission. Question number 16. Which of the following is known as a flash drive? Option 1 disk array, option 2 HDD, option 3 SSD, option 4 pen drive. The answer is option 4 pen drive. Pen drive is also known as flash drive. The answer is option 4 pen drive. Pen drive uses flash memory, hence called flash devices. Question number 17. Dash is a reading device that reads printed text by scanning it character by character. Option 1 trackball, option 2 duster, option 3 magnetic ink character reader, MICR. Option 4 optical character reader. I think the answer is option 3 because the optical character reader is used for OMR sheets. No, no, no. The answer is option 4 optical character reader. Optical character reader scans printed characters and converts them into digital form. Achha. The answer is option 4 optical character reader, not option 3. Question number 18. Which among the following statements is incorrect about central processing unit? Option 1 control unit controls the order of execution. Option 2 ALU arithmetic logic unit is responsible for taking input and converting it into signals. Option 3 arithmetic logic unit is the mathematical brain of computer. Option 4 control unit directs and manages operation sequence. I think the option 2 is wrong. Arithmetic logic unit ALU is responsible for taking input and converting it into signals. This is wrong because arithmetic logic unit is the mathematical brain of computer. So the answer is option 2. All performs ALU arithmetic logic unit performs arithmetic and logic operations. Taking input is not its role. Question number 19. Which of the following ports is also called as mouse port? Option 1 VGA, option 2 HDMI, option 3 Firewire, option 4 PS2. The answer is option 4 PS2. PS2 ports are used to connect mouse and keyboard in older systems. Question number 20. Dash is known as a protocol converter. Option 1 hub, option 2 switch, option 3 bridge, option 4 gateway. The answer is option 4 gateway. Gateway connects different networks and converts communication protocols. So thank you everyone. Like, share and subscribe GK4GC. Must like and subscribe.